The j5create USB 3.0 to 4K HDMI display adapter, model JUA354, is an impressive and versatile adapter that offers a seamless way to connect your devices and enjoy stunning 4K visuals. With its sleek aluminum housing, this adapter not only performs exceptionally, but also adds a touch of elegance to your setup. One of the standout features of this adapter is its ability to support ultra-high definition UHD resolutions of up to 3840 by 2160 at 30 Hz. This means you can experience crystal clear and vibrant visuals, making it ideal for various applications, from gaming and entertainment to professional presentations and video editing. The adapter's USB 3.0 male Type A connector ensures a stable and fast connection, providing a reliable link between your devices. The HDMI female connector, on the other hand, allows for a seamless output to your 4K display, be it a monitor, TV, or projector. What sets this adapter apart is its plug-and-play functionality, eliminating the need for any additional software or drivers. Simply connect it to your device, and you're ready to enjoy the benefits of 4K technology. In terms of compatibility, the j5create JUA354 is versatile and can work with a wide range of devices, including laptops, desktops, and even gaming consoles. Its universal compatibility makes it an excellent choice for those seeking a simple yet effective solution to enhance their visual experience. Additionally, the adapter's compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable, perfect for those who travel frequently and require a reliable adapter on the go. Overall, the j5create USB 3.0 to 4K HDMI display adapter offers an exceptional balance of performance, ease of use, and portability, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade their visual setup. With its ability to deliver stunning 4K visuals, this adapter is a must-have for anyone seeking the best in display technology.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.